Jeep has finally introduced their much-awaited 2021 Compass facelift SUV in the Indian market. The new 2021 Jeep Compass SUV now comes with a starting price of rupees 16.99 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The new premium mid-size SUV now comes with a host of features and updates both on the inside and out. The new 2021 Jeep Compass facelift is offered in four variants: Sport, Longitude, Limited and Model S. The top spec Model S variant is offered with a price tag of rupees 24.49 lakh. Apart from these four variants, Jeep India has also introduced a new 80th anniversary edition model which is priced at rupees 22.96 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Bookings for the SUV have already begun for a token amount of rupees 50,000. Interested customers can visit the brand's dealerships or make bookings online. Deliveries for the new SUV are scheduled to begin from 2nd February 2021. All variants of the new Jeep Compass come packed with a host of features and equipment as standard. The new SUV also features updated exterior design along with the completely revamped cabin, making the new Jeep Compass a more attractive offering in the segment. Starting off with the exteriors, the new Compass SUV now features an updated front end featuring the signature 7-slat vertical grille, sleek LED headlamps with integrated LED DRLs, LED fog lamps on the front bumper flanking the central air intake, newly designed dual-tone 18-inch alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, LED tail lights and many others. Inside as well, the 2021 Jeep Compass comes with a host of upgrades and additional features and equipment. This includes a slightly revised dashboard layout with soft touch material all around, a new steering wheel design with mounted controls, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and the brand's latest Uconnect 5 technology. The SUV also comes with wireless charging, ventilated seats, driver's seat, electronically adjustable seats, 60/40 rear seat split, remote keyless entry and many others as well. The 2021 Jeep Compass comes packed with a host of safety and off-road specific features as well. The limited edition 2021 Jeep Compass 80th anniversary model will further come with gloss black front grille, black dual tone, black mirrors, dual pane panoramic sunroof, rain sensing wipers, 18-inch granite crystal alloy wheels, body painted front and rear fascia, sill molding and fender flares among others. The 80th anniversary models feature a sporty, all-black interior among a host of other tweaks as well. The special edition model comes with Jeep's heritage insignia on the exterior, front seats and on the instrument panel towards the front passenger side. The new 2021 Jeep Compass SUV will be offered with a choice of two engine options. This includes a 1.4-liter turbo petrol unit producing 163 bhp and 250 Nm of peak torque. The other comes in the form of a 2.0-liter diesel engine churning out 173 bhp and 350 Nm of peak torque. Transmission options on the 2021 Compass SUV include a 6-speed manual, 7-speed DCT and a 9-speed automatic choice. All trims will come standard with a front-wheel drive system as standard. Jeep will be offering the limited Model S and the 80th anniversary edition with a 4x4 drive. Renault has globally unveiled its final production spec version of the upcoming Kiger SUV for the Indian market. The new Renault Kiger will be the brand's sub-4-meter compact SUV offering in India and is set to come packed with a host of features and equipment, while also offering a sporty design and a strong performing turbocharged petrol engine. The new Renault Kiger carries forward most of the styling elements from its concept version unveiled late last year. Starting with the front, the Kiger comes with the sleek chrome finished front grille which integrates with the LED daytime running lights, which also double up as turn indicators. The Renault Kiger also comes with LED projector headlamps separately below the DRLs. The front bumper also houses a large central air dam with black cladding, which extends all around the SUV as well. The Renault Kiger also features a sculpted bonnet with strong, muscular character lines, giving it an extremely aggressive and sporty look. Moving to the side, the new compact SUV from Renault features 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels housed in large wheel arches, again covered in the black cladding. The side profile also showcases the coupe-like sloping roofline, which ends with an integrated spoiler at the back. The black roof and the C-pillar further add to the sportiness, while the roof adds a rugged SUV appeal to the Kiger. The rear of the Renault Kiger is minimalistic yet stylish. The C-shaped LED taillights have been extended right to the edge of the SUV's bodywork, giving it a wide appearance. The boot lid is kept clean with just the Kiger badging at its center. The rear bumper comes finished in black and houses the silver finished skid plates. The Renault Kiger is offered with a host of features, equipment and premium materials to give the SUV a more upmarket look and feel. The The Kiger is offered with a multi-skin 7-inch instrument cluster offering various information to the driver. The information can further be toggled via the switches on the steering wheel. The central console on the Kiger is made of an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is also the climate control rotary knobs positioned below. Powering the new Renault Kiger will be a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine. The engine is set to churn out 100 bhp and 160 Nm of peak torque and will come mated to either a 5-speed manual or 6-speed CVT or automatic transmission units. The Renault Kiger will be the latest production from the French brand to incorporate the CMF-A Plus platform. This also underpins other models such as the Nissan Magnite and the Renault Triber as well. The Kiger is also said to offer 205 mm of ground clearance and have a boot space of 405 liters. American electric manufacturer Tesla has revealed the 2021 Model S electric sedan globally. The company has made several changes on its flagship electric sedan. This includes a new powertrain and updates made to the interior and exteriors of the sedan. Starting with the powertrain of the updated electric sedan, it is offered in 3 variants, which are performance trims called the Plaid and the Plaid Plus and the long range variant. The Plaid and the Plaid Plus features 3 electric motors, while the long range model features dual electric motors mounted on either axle. The Model S features a standard 100 kW lithium-ion battery. The Plaid and Plaid Plus will be capable of offering a driving range of 627 km and 837 km on a single battery charge respectively. Using 3 electric motors, the Plaid Plus produces 1100 bhp and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2 seconds. This makes it the world's fastest production car. On the other hand, the powertrain on the Plaid produces a 1020 bhp with a 0 to 100 km per hour time just over 2 seconds. Finally, the long-range variant produces a 670 bhp and can reach from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.1 seconds. Also, the long-range model boasts a driving range of 663 km on a single battery charge. Charging options on the Tesla Model S includes onboard 11.5 kW charger, which can juice up the sedan car from 0 to 100% between 6 to 9 hours. However, using the brand fast charging stations called the superchargers, which features a maximum output of 250 kW and can charge the Model S completely between 30 minutes and 90 minutes. Speaking about the design changes made to the exterior of the Model S, it now features a revised front bumper, the alloy wheel design and the finish has been changed, and subtle changes have been made to the bonnet as well. However, the rest of the features have been carried forward from the older model. On the inside of the 2021 Model S features a host of changes over the previous model. It features an all-new layout with wood or carbon fiber finished dashboard. It also features a large 17-inch touchscreen unit with a processing power of 10 teraflops. However, the biggest change on the inside has to be the new steering wheel that looks inspired by the aeroplanes. The steering column does not feature any stalks for lights and wipers. It has been replaced by the touch-sensitive buttons. The Tesla Model S retails at a starting price of USD 74,490. The Plaid and the Plaid Plus performance variants cost USD $1,14,490 and USD $1,34,490 respectively. The deliveries of the 2021 Model S is set to start from next month. Tesla Inc. is also set to start its operation in India. The automaker's arrival was imminent after recent reports suggesting bookings for electric cars to be open from this month in the country. Royal Enfield has introduced their iconic Bullet 350 motorcycle in a new color called Forest Green. The new Royal Enfield Bullet 350 Forest Green is priced at Rs 1.33 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The new paint scheme on the Bullet 350 will be available only on the standard variant. The new Forest Green color will now be sold alongside Black, Onyx Black and Bullet Silver. The other Bullet ES Electric Start variant misses out on the new paint scheme and will continue to be offered with its 3 color options of red, blue and black. Apart from the addition of the new Forest Green paint scheme on the standard Royal Enfield Bullet 350, no other changes have been made. The Bullet 350 is one of the most popular and long-standing models from the Chennai-based two-wheeler manufacturer in India. The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 was last updated back in early 2020 when it received a BS6 compliant engine. This comes in the form of a 346cc single-cylinder air-cooled unit producing 19.1 bhp and 28 Nm of peak torque. It comes paired with a 5-speed gearbox as standard. Other mechanicals on the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 include 35mm telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear with 5-step adjustability. Braking on the Bullet 350 is via 280mm disc at the front and a 153mm drum at the rear, supported by single-channel ABS as standard. Royal Enfield is currently working on updating its lineup in the Indian market. The brand has already introduced the Meteor 350 as a replacement to the Thunderbird. The company is working on updating its Classic 350 and Himalayan, while also working on new products as well. It will be interesting to see how the brand will update the Bullet model, which has been part of its portfolio almost unchanged since such a long time. Citroën has officially unveiled their first production for the Indian market. Citroën has officially unveiled their first product for the Indian market, the C5 Aircross. The new Citroën C5 Aircross SUV will finally go on sale in the country after being delayed in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Citroën C5 Aircross will come with a crossover design packed with a host of features, equipment and technology. The car once launched will be positioned as a premium mid-size SUV in the Indian market, rivaling the likes of the 2021 Jeep Compass, Volkswagen T-Roc and the upcoming Skoda Kodiaq. Starting off with the design of the SUV, the C5 Aircross comes with a crossover-like silhouette featuring a number of styling elements all around. At the front, the SUV comes with a dual headlamp setup with sleek LED DRLs positioned above, integrated with the front grille with the Citroën logo at the center. The LED headlamps are positioned below and flank the lower part of the front grille. At the side, the Citroën C5 Aircross comes with stylish 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, flared wheel arches and black cladding all around the lower half. The SUV also comes with silver-finished roof rails to complete the look. The rear profile of the SUV is minimalistic with LED taillights, a roof-mounted spoiler and black cladding on the lower part of the rear bumper. Moving inside, the Citroën C5 Aircross will come with a premium-looking cabin with soft touch material all around the dashboard. The central console comes with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The SUV also features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster providing a host of driver information. Some of the other key features on the Citroën C5 Aircross include panoramic sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient lighting, air purifier, split AC vents, seats with memory foam and 3 individually adjustable reclining rear seats, among a host of others. The Citroën C5 Aircross will be powered by a single engine in the form of a 2.0-liter diesel unit. It produces 175 bhp and 400 Nm of peak torque and is mated to a standard 8-speed automatic transmission unit. The SUV will be offered in two variants, Feel and Shine. Both variants will further be available in a range of single and dual-tone paint schemes. The single-tone paint schemes include Pearl White, Cumulus Grey, Tijuca Blue, and Perla Nera Black. The dual-tone colors on offer, white, blue and grey, all with contrasting black roof.